Hey, let's talk about some of the more advanced gym exercises that we typically use here in the physical therapy clinic for patients who have had a total knee replacement and now they're getting ready to progress into more sport performance, or they want to get back on the tennis court, the pickleball court, the golf course. These are typically available in most commercial gyms. This is just a standard cable unit. Now this one has the moving arms, but it could be just a rectangle with two pulleys that can be adjusted up or down. One of the things we want to incorporate besides coordination is rotation. So everybody understands the knee flexes and extends, but there's also a component of rotation that has to be managed. Even if the knee implant that they used for your surgery doesn't rotate like a natural knee, there is still rotational stress when you're swinging a golf club, when you're swinging a pickleball paddle, and we want to get the body to adapt to that. So one of my favorite ones, we set the weight to a very comfortable level. This one is not about trying to stimulate hypertrophy and get big muscles. The idea behind this is just getting the body used to this rotational pattern so that we can go back to any sport we want to play with a little more confidence. One of the things that I like to do is I like to grab the handles. Now when I'm doing this, I start in this open position. I turn, actually I'm going to go this way so you guys can see it a little better. Let's say we're dealing with a right total knee replacement or even a total hip replacement. I grab the two handles for the cable crossover. As my right hand pulls back, my left hand pushes forward. This, along with the hip and trunk rotation, it really is a full body exercise. I can feel this all the way from my big toe, my ankle, my knee, my hip, my low back, through my shoulders, even the cervical spine. If I'm looking in the direction that I'm pushing and pulling, my cervical spine is rotating right and left with the motion. Again, when we're swinging or throwing or doing anything athletic, we're usually going to have our eyes fixed on the target. This allows me to work through that motion while I'm understanding that the knee is going through rotational forces that it hasn't done or maybe hasn't done during the physical therapy program. Once I finish set of 10, set of 15 at light loads just to improve coordination, then I switch directions. So before my left hand was pushing, now my left hand is pulling. Now my surgical leg is on the back side instead of the front side. I'm still working the rotation and the full body movement. Now I'm just doing it in the opposite direction. When we think about swinging a golf club, if I'm a right-handed golfer and I'm going from left to right, I have acceleration to contact, but then I have to be able to decelerate as I follow through after hitting the ball. That deceleration motion is going to affect both knees. That lateral shift is going to affect both knees. We want to experience those forces in a controlled environment like a gym or a physical therapy clinic, preferably with somebody who's watching us to give us feedback on what we're doing so that we can then take those skills onto the golf course, onto the pickleball court. Guys, if you're looking for more information about advanced training like this, let me know. I'm going to create more videos for the channel. Subscribe, follow, and leave a comment so I know what you guys are looking for.